Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make use of this editable text effect. I mean any editable text effect in Photoshop and CorelDRAW. Okay, so now I have a bunch of text effects around here. Okay, I'm going to drop this text effect here in the description below. Okay, so you can make use of them also. So I have a lot of them here. You can see one, this another one. You can see them, they are much. Okay, so actually I find it very interesting when I see designers use text effects, like amazing text effects, and I wonder how they do that. Okay, but since I find out that most of the text effects are editable, I just go online, download the text effects document and edit the document myself. So now this is the meal text effect. Okay, I'm going to use this as an example. Okay, so this is the main file. I'm going to open this in Photoshop. I'm going to just double click it, or I'll just hold and drag to my Photoshop. Okay, so now it's opening. Okay, I'm going to keep layers. Okay, don't worry about this one. I was working on this design earlier. All right. Okay, so it's going to come out now. All right. So this is our meal text editable text effect. Okay, let me Creative Cloud. I have a problem with this one. Let me just cancel Creative Cloud. All right, so this is my editable text effect. You can see it here. So now I'll just come to my layer here. You will see one layer name, double click to change text. Okay, so I'll just double click on that layer, the layer mask, and it's gonna open out. So some text might need to be updated. I'm just press no. I don't want to update it now. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I want to just edit my text. So I'm going to just click on the text myself. Rendering text cost layer. Okay, I want to continue. All right. Okay, so I'll just click on my text and remove the write up on my text. Okay. Okay. So this is the write up. I'm going to put a whole new write up. Okay, let's assume I want to use yeah. Okay, let's say yeah. Y. Hey. Okay. Okay, I have a problem with my H here. Okay, let me just use the on-screen keyboard to put that inside the text. Okay, so my on-screen keyboard is activated right now, or it's going to be activated soon. Okay, before I wait for that, please thank you for subscribing, new subscribers. Thank you for checking by my old subscribers. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your effort for staying back. All right, so this is my on-screen keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to put H there. Okay, don't mind my pronunciation, it's okay. So, and I'm done with that. So the next thing I want to do is I will just go to file and go to save. Okay, I'll just click on save, and it's going to save it out for me. So it will be processing. So now just wait for it, stick around for some moments, and going to process. Okay, so now it's still processing. Okay, it's done. So the next I want to do, I'll just go to my main effect, my main text effect, the document. Look at it here. You just click on it and it's gonna come out. Let's just wait for it. Okay, you can see now my year is already here. Okay, so now you wonder how you make use of this year with this background. Don't worry about that. You just go to the other layers and you off the title. You just go to this eye dropper logo, click on it, it's gonna off itself. Okay, now the title is off. I'm currently using Photoshop C 2018. Okay, so I'll go to the background also. I'll do same to the background. I'll just click on the eye logo to remove the background, to off the layer of the background. So now I have my year alone here with no background, editable and usable. Okay, so now I'll just go to file and save as a PNG file. Actually, I don't want the background to be in the document. I don't want any white background. I don't want anything in the background. Okay, so I'll just go to PNG. Okay, now I think portable network graphics. Okay, now I'll go to desktop. Let's assume I'm saving this file on desktop. So I'm going to just press YA. YA is my file name. I'll just click on save. So now it's going to save itself as a PNG file, so I can be able to use it in CorelDRAW, because I do my designs in CorelDRAW. If you all know, in this YouTube channel I mostly do my designs in CorelDRAW. Okay, all right, so it's gonna load out. Let's just wait for it for some minutes, and it's done, almost done. So we just hit OK, and it's done. So let's assume I go to my desktop. This is my desktop. I locate my file. Okay, like I said, I'm going to put all the text effect I'm using in the description below. Okay, so I save my text as yeah. Okay, so I'll just go down and look for yeah. Okay, this is taking just forever. Okay, let's not worry about that. I'll just not responding. Oh, okay, I'll just go to my desktop. I have a lot of, go to view, and I'll show my desktop icons, so I can just move it down there. Okay, this is YA. Okay, so I'll just click on the YA here, and I will just drag it down to my CorelDRAW. Okay, 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 I'll just hold and drag down to my CorelDRAW here, and yeah, it's coming up in CorelDRAW without any background. Okay, let's just wait for it, stick around for some seconds. Okay, you can see now our text effect is here without any background. Okay, if you observe the design I made here, there I used a text effect, but not the same with this one I'm using currently now, that I did just now. Okay, this text effect is actually in the description below also. I actually put all my text effect in the description below. Okay, so this is how you make use of your text effect in CorelDRAW while you do them in Photoshop. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Thank you, YouTubers. Thank you for making my channel grow